Hi friends, I'm showing you this kids headphone today to you, and this headphone is really nice for the kids and comfortable. And as you see these days everything is virtual and kids have to do your laptops for the classes for other stuff. So this headphones is as actually very useful for them, and this comes in this carry bag. It's very soft and nice carry bag for this headphone, and comes with the manual and then on the headphone. So it's a foldable headphone, and that's very nice that you can make it handy, and pretty much it's easy to open it. And you can see like it's comfortable cups, it's sides, and it's put like it's easy to put. It's very sturdy that I can just twist it and it's not breakable that easily. So two sound thing and the two different decibels thing that you can choose for, and it's pretty much straightforward aux cable and connector to put it in the laptop to use it. And then if you want to just fold it, put it in your carry bag and just take it with you. So I'm just asking my kid to actually wear it and to show you. So I just put it in the aux cable in the laptop, and this the left and the right. You can see the left ear that covers the whole ear, and this pretty nice and good. It's comfortable to him. This pretty like on the head, you can extend it to fit in the size and the length, and it's pretty have and good when it's like it.